Paramedics are truly on the front lines in the pandemic. Often they are the first to see patients who may be infected with COVID-19.
They're taking more protective steps as cases reach record levels. That is the top story at 5 o'clock. Medic EMS has 20 ambulances in its fleet. All of them were in service yesterday responding to COVID-19 related cases.
The company says it's extremely stressful for its workers, facing potential exposure day in and day out. Local 4's Aaliyah Sims looks at some of the extra measures they are taking to keep everyone safe.
Our call volumes are definitely up.
As cases increase in our area, so does the volume of EMS calls.
We've basically stayed steady and even increased a little bit with the COVID calls, whether it's 911 calls or even COVID transfers from local hospitals here to a more regional hospital.
Jeremy Pessman, Fleet Community Relations Manager with Medic EMS, says paramedics have always had protective procedures in place, but since the pandemic, those have only increased.
It's just a decontamination gun that basically we can spray to help us decontaminate the ambulance.
Pessman says when answering calls, he and his crew try not to think about the potential exposure to COVID-19.
A lot of us have been doing this and taking care of sick patients and taking care of infectious patients for years. I think we just have an increased call volume of it right now. Definitely an increased awareness as well.
And although the team isn't feeling the strain yet, a big concern is keeping staff members safe so they can ultimately save patients when they need them.
I wouldn't say it's widespread, but we're definitely feeling the stresses of having a few people out either with COVID type symptoms or other issues.
Health experts have said it time and time again.
When you're out in public, wear a mask, social distance when possible, wash your hands frequently, and if you're sick, stay home.
Aaliyah Sims, Local 4 News.
Aaliyah did ask Medic EMS how many first responders have come down with COVID-19. They wouldn't give us an exact number, but did say some workers currently have it.